Hello, Dr. Marani here from Veteran Family Chiropractic. Today I wanted to educate you a little bit about what that noise is when you get adjusted. That cracking noise is simply gas releasing from a joint, so I'll explain it. Let's pretend this is a bone and this is a bone here, and in between that is a capsule, and in that capsule there's fluid in there. Now when we move those joints really quickly in a very safe manner, that gas releases from within that joint. And that promotes a bit of a healing response. Oftentimes there's less pain, less tension. Patients often say they feel a lot better after these adjustments. But a common question I get is, okay, Dr. Marani, well, I didn't hear that noise. Does the adjustment still work? And my answer to you is absolutely. We're getting movement in those joints, we're promoting better alignment, and this generally helps with patients' pain. Hope you found that helpful and educational. Have an awesome day and take care.